Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's good to be back. I always say the same things, like why can't I ever change my intro? Anyways, here's a quick blue glam. I've been feeling blue lately, and I know it kind of looks similar to my last look, but I promise you it is very, very different, and I used a different palette. For today's look, I went into the Dream Street palette. This is the ColourPop times Kathleen Lights collaboration. You guys know I live, breathe Kathleen Lights, and this is what it looks like. So this is what I'll be using for today's look, and yeah, if you want to learn how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Taking a Morphe E22 in this shade right here. That's going to be my transition shade. With an e.l.f. brush in this shade, I'm going to stab that in the crease and just concentrate it only in the crease. With the same e.l.f. brush in this shade right here. These ColourPop eyeshadows are no joke. They're so pigmented. But I'm going to be placing that in the crease as well on top of that brown. Hello. Don't worry about it looking crazy because we're going to blend it out. I'm going to go back with the Morphe E22 and I'm just going to blend the blue and the brown together. I'm going to be going in with this small little detail brush I got at Ross. Sorry, it doesn't have a name, but I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Just going to apply that. Going back with the e.l.f. brush, I'm just going to be buffing out those edges. Going in with any white powder or cream powder. This is my face powder. And a Morphe M333. I'm just going to take that shade and clean out the brow bone. So for primer, I'm going in with Smashbox Photo Finish in Blemish Control. For foundation, y'all already know Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Warm Natural. And taking a wet beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend that in. See, done. It's so simple to blend out, and I think this foundation only costs 20 bucks. So compared to other Sephora brands, this is really pretty affordable. I need to change shirts. This is way too hot. For concealer, I'm going in with Wet n Wild Light Medium. I honestly like this one more than Tarte Shape Tape, because I feel like Tarte Shape Tape can be too heavy for me. For my powder, I'm going in with Bobbi Brown, and this is their Sheer Finish Loose Powder in Soft Sand. And I'm going to be applying that with the Morphe M438. Just going to take a little bit of that powder and just run it under your eyes. For all over the face, I'm just taking Kat Von D blotting powder in the shade Light. When I put on my face powder, I love to press it into the skin because I feel like it lasts longer. Eyeliner pencil, and this is in the shade Perversion. I'm gonna do this off camera or else I'm gonna poke my eye. In this shade and an angled brush. This is by Klein Color. To the waterline. To blend that out, I'm gonna be taking an e.l.f. brush in this shade. For the inner corner, I'm taking this shade. And a Morphe 169. These are the eyes, basically all done. I'm going to be taking a Nanette Lepore brush and this in the shade. The nose a little bit. I'm just taking Morphe, and this is their purple set. There's no numbers on these. For highlight in Morphe 501 and Champagne Pop. For my lips, I'm gonna take ColourPop lip liner in BFF. I'm gonna be putting on a little bit of lip gloss. This is Kylie Cosmetics in Like. Alright guys, this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you want to see next. I know fall is coming, so stay tuned for some fall looks. Something bit me. Why am I so itchy back here? Thank you guys so much for supporting me always. I am close to 100 subscribers, which is so crazy to me. 100 is not a lot, okay, compared to all these big YouTubers, but honestly, like, the few of you that follow me and support me, that's enough for me. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time guys, before you leave, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.